Today, I wanted to cover the process of working with a credit repair agency versus fixing your credit on your own and what it looks like. There are pros and cons to both. So let's go through them to see which program is best for you. So first, you want to look at time and effort. First, you need to assess how much time do you really have? But honestly, how much effort are you willing to put in? With anything new, it will take some time to learn the basics and structure of working on your credit. Do you have 10 or 20 minutes a month to work on your credit? Have you been able to follow step-by-step guides before in other industries and follow through? Or do you know yourself and know you will not put the effort in? If you have limited time or find the process overwhelming, a credit repair agency can handle disputes on your behalf and it may help your process. Now you want to look at credit knowledge. Assess your knowledge and understanding of credit repair. Do you work in an adjacent area like loan processing, finance, or real estate and have basic credit knowledge? If you're well-informed and confident in navigating the credit repair process, you may choose to handle it yourself. Or are you working in the medical field or teaching and have never really learned the basics of credit repair or interested in even trying? Then maybe having the expert take control for you and sending out the letters may be your best option. Now let's look at budget. Consider your budget and whether you can afford the services of a credit repair agency. Credit repair agencies typically charge fees for their services, either as a monthly fee or on a per item basis. This can range from $1,000 to $2,000 in total for working on your credit without guaranteed results. Yes, there are better agencies than others with different approaches and ones that take the time for more personal guidance and handholding, but they still cannot guarantee results. DIY credit repair programs are a lot less expensive, ranging from $30 to $250 depending on the program. But once again, even if you purchase the program and save some money, if you do not get started, then it's a waste of time and you most likely would have gotten better results paying for someone else to do it for you. Now let's look at customer support and coaching. How much support and contact are you looking for? Do you want an action plan of items you can work on or make goodwill deletion calls or reach out to the bureaus? Or do you just want a portal that you will check results each month to see if they've made any results? Depending on how much you want to participate in the process, will determine which type of program you want to move forward with. After going through these factors to consider, I would make a list for yourself of what you are looking for, what your budget is, and what is realistic to your lifestyle. Once you make a decision on which way you want to go, these are the qualities I would look for in companies. If you feel that you want to give it a shot yourself and work on it on your own, then this is what I recommend looking for in a DIY credit repair program. That all letters included in the program, and there's guidance on how to fill them out, where to send them and when, a personalized action plan and support phone number. Disputing is one part of the journey, but at least having an action plan or a way to book a consultation to go through your credit report will help you tremendously. You want guaranteed approval, positive credit building resources and installment loans, and definitely an affordable price. You should not be spending thousands of dollars on a DIY credit repair program. If you are looking to pay for a credit repair agency to work on your credit, here's what I would look out for. Avoid huge agencies with 1-800 numbers that have customer service reps enrolling you. Agencies that do not offer a consultation or speaking with a live representative that is not educated in credit. Agencies who charge you all up front or lack transparency with pricing. You must have portal access to be able to track the progress of disputing, what items they are disputing, and what is being removed each month. Regardless if you're looking to fix your credit with an agency or yourself, credit repair does not happen overnight. You want to always look at your credit report at least 6 months in advance before you're wanting to make a big purchase to see where you're starting. Credit repair affects you in every aspect of your life. Make sure to get started and take a look at your credit report. I hope this video helps you make your decision on how to move forward. If you're looking to dabble into fixing your credit and not sure where to start, you can watch this video right here, which is the first video in my credit disputing series. My name is Ari Gruman, and I'll see you in the next video.